Welcome! Let's add a text reveal to a clip. So we already have our clip, so let's start. Let's right click. Let's create ourselves a compound clip and give it a name. Makes it all nice and organized. Hit create. Right click again, and now we need to go into the Fusion page. So the first thing we need to do is just drag ourselves a text node on and connect that up. So we now got our merge. Let's put our text on and make it a little bit bigger. So now we need to add the mask. So we're going to use a rectangle. So I drag our rectangle mask on. Connect it up to our text node. So now we can see our mask. So the first thing we do, let's find a starting point. So let's scrub back a bit. Yes, that looks about right. You can see the first letter is sort of lined up with the character here. So what we'll do is we'll make sure we're on the rectangle and we'll just drag our mask back to just past the first letter. Yep, that's it. And then we hit a keyframe. So let's move forward. Let's get to a point where we know our character is practically out of shot. And that looks... yeah, I think that's about right. So now make sure we're still on our rectangle node. And now we're going to move our mask back. And it's already created another keyframe for us. Excellent, so that's looking good. So let's just scrub back a bit. There we go, that's looking about right. Yep, nice. So let's try and make it slightly less harsh on the line. So if we make sure again we're already on our rectangle. And if we go up to here, we've got this soften edge. So let's just bring that up a little bit. There you can see we get a little bit more. Yeah, that's better. We go to the very end. And let's also try and blend this in a bit. So let's bring this level down. That's better. It sort of blends in with the background a little bit more. So I think we are done. So let's go back and play it, see what we've got. Lovely. And there you go. A simple reveal text effect. Now sometimes when you run your test, you may find that your letters appear before you were expecting. This is sometimes because of the softening of the edges. So it's very simple to fix. So we need to go back to our Fusion page and just adjust where our mask is working. So I'll show that to you now. So the important part is getting back to the keyframe that we need to adjust. We need to reposition our mask and retest. And now you can see our text is appearing exactly at the point where we expect it to. If it doesn't quite work, just try adjusting your mask again. Hope you found that useful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment. Please subscribe and hit the notify button. I really appreciate it and it really helps. See you again soon and have a great day.